I work did, whatever did on our BSc MSc, that and all you forget first. Understanding? Forget. Because when we enter here, that time we have to do all work with full dedication from your mind, heart, from your soul. From your soul, this work have to do. Otherwise, result is very tough. And here everybody are same. Somebody will think that my maths is good. Somebody will think my math is not good. Somebody will think I am BSc student. Somebody will think BTech students. Maths is not my major subject. So here everybody are same. If you know also, you don't know here. If you don't know also, you don't know here. This is fully different. Now we are entering different world. And you will see every day on class, we will start our whatever topics. We will follow mostly theories portion. Because our basics, theories are strong, no? Then we can stand any place. We can crack any exam. So we have to make first our theories full strong. Even applied paper also we will read, their theories are there. So theories we have to make strong more. Just like differential equation. You will feel there are only differential equation, formula put, solution, no solution, infinite number of solution, a unique solution, like that. But not like that. Too much theories are there. Even your BSc, MSc time matrices, you are reading matrix theories. That time that is linear algebra, telling matrix including everything. Linear algebra means we know matrices mostly. But not like that. Hereafter our matrices will be different, linear algebra will be different. Matrix, still infinite number of theories are there. Infinite number of theories. On our BSc, MSc, 11th class, 12th class, we are finding solution XYZ, solution, linear equation is there, rank matrix we are finding, eigenvalue, eigenvector finding. We are thinking just based on formula. Formula based have, we got solution finished, matrix finished, linear algebra finished, everything finished. But nothing. We have to read from basic how everything created in this world. For what purpose came rank of matrix here? What use here? What our scientist thought and wrote every concepts. First came in mind concepts only. What we need? Our need is something. Our need is, our scientist thinking our need is something. For that something I need some type of concepts. That concepts run in their mind. They generated that concepts. They wrote that concepts. After that different names came. That concept name came definition. That concept name came theorems. So first theorem not came. First our need came. What we need. For that need, they generated concepts. Okay, for this need, I need this type formulas, that type formula. If like that I will do means this type will happen. Like that I will do means this type will happen, and I will get solution. So this all some things different name and different concepts, different definitions, different theorems came. So don't think that we are reading theorems. From theorems we will collect concepts. From definition we will collect concepts. Not like that. Always we are on our BSc, MSc we did know, okay, this is definition. So let us read. We have to fix in our mind definition. So like that happening. Why this happening? Sir, definition. No. Definition not came in this world. God not sending, no, okay, this definition go in this earth, give to everybody. No, that definition came by concepts. So why that definition came? What purpose came? What use that definition? So like that we have to see each and every concepts are from basic to high level everything. First we have to make our all basic and all strongs. Each and every lines, each and every words we have to understand. If we will skip, no, and very important, you know, this is now hereafter conceptual class. Scientific class. We are going to write research related exam. I can't skip anything. You can't skip anything. Can't skip. If you will try also, okay, this no need to read. Again you will go next, no, again you have to come back. because all concepts are connected here. We can't disconnect. If we will skip and we will go next chapter or next concept or next theorems or next definition, then that definition will tell go and take first that concept, then come near to me. So without concepts, one is telling the 1 inch we can't go next. 1 step we can't go next. Sometime during teaching I am forgetting definition. Oh, that definition missing word. When I am going next, no, there's something I am missing word. Here I need something. Okay, that I left. Again I am coming back. I can't skip. Either that is too much taking time also, I can't skip. This is the beauty of mathematics. This is the value of mathematics. Our BSc, MSc, we did 10 theorems, MUGUP we did. In that 7 theorems came 20 marks, and we collected marks, top 90%, 80%, gold medal, silver medal, everything we collected. Only by MUGUP concepts or selected concepts. But that type hereafter will do means you not possible for qualify any exam. Any exam. And whatever our university or our college, this managements have just like this way of asking questions on our BSc, MSc exam, this and all we have to stop. At least they are not understanding, we have to understand. Anything asking on our BSc, MSc college, leave it. We have to read our self-study by books or anything. We have to read in our home. Otherwise they will give only certificates and they will damage our life. Only we have certificate finally. Nothing we don't know. Any knowledge we not have with us. Just selected question we completed, MUGUP did, and we got marks. I will tell 1%, 2% possibility have. Some students are reading, they are avoiding college. Whatever methods are there, they are reading by self-study. They are getting knowledge also. Okay, whatever suppose we did on our BSc, MSc, we have to avoid. Leave it. Don't think that time pass went, time loss went. But hereafter, don't do any type of mistakes. Don't neglect. Don't lose your time. Here CSIR exam happening every 6 months once. IIT JAM exam happening every year once. So how much correctly focus you will do, that much soon result will happen. First your college method you have to delete from here. Going, reading, not reading, canteen going, time pass doing with friends, talking, laughing. Full of 6 months, 1 year. I'm not telling you don't enjoy. I'm not telling that. Enjoyment necessary, but if possible for some months, some years, you put hold. Because no, you can't believe this is your last stage on your life. For settlement, your life. Last stage. Hereafter you can't get. Still, from here also you will enjoy, no care, nothing, okay, we'll see, we'll do. Then hereafter you can't settle your life. Maybe PhD here and there will do. What will happen? Nothing. PhD has no value, that degree and all. No value. Maximum you after PhD here, their job will get 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 salary will start. And whole life struggle do. Run from your home to college, college to home. In that 20, 25,000, 30,000, your retirement will happen 50,000 rupees. I'm not comparison doing with money, but that is not our life. You taken birth in this earth. What is your existence? What is your identity? Do something different. I can't change everybody, but at least whoever coming here, I can change them. You become international student. You prove that I am the Indian. How you will prove? You have to no need to prove to me or to Indians. I am Indians. We know you are Indians. You prove this world I am the Indian. You give your theories. You give your concept to this world. You do something for country. And for that you have to read properly. You have to go concepts. You can't believe our syllabus, our maths is very, very strong concepts have, strong syllabus have. Our managements are not good in our college, university, that is different, that you leave it. But whatever we have syllabus, CSIR syllabus or before management I will tell, not now. Now different syllabus changing in college, university, but UGC whatever syllabus have, that syllabus if you will read properly from your books, whatever concepts, you can defend this country, this world. We can win from China's, we can win from America, we can give good competition to this world. That much our syllabus are unique. We are not reading, that is different. So read for country. At least competitive exam qualify, PhD to from IITs, IISc, TIFR, different unique international universities are there in our India. Unique. They are giving good competition to world. Maybe we don't know. In India, don't know about proper students, college, university, professor, don't know about TIFR. But in India, too much, not one or two, too much international institutes are there. They are giving good competition to this world. China, America, every places. Some places we failed because of our management, we can tell. But we can give good competition, we can win from China and America or other countries. That much good we are good students. We are good in maths. So read for country. Enough. Your life automatic settlement will happen. Don't think about your good life, my life settle will happen. Read for country. You see, you will get good settlement on your life. Every state 1, 1, 2, 2 IITs are there. Every state. You count how many states are there in our country. TIFR is there, IIS is there, ISI is there, ICER is there, NICER is there, CREST is there. So read from them. Read from there. Do PhD from IITs. NITs also good have. NITs also have, but we can't tell compared to IIT good, but NITs are maintaining good still, some NITs are. We can't tell bad. But our first choice is IIT. Sometimes some student I am seeing some pressure are there, tension are there, especially if you are a fresh student. Mostly here I am seeing fresh students are there, just BSc, MSc completing. You give time in competitive exam, don't hurry PhD, don't complete from here and there. That degree has no value. You are completing for your tension decreasing. Okay, PhD completed, nothing you are going to get. 15,000, 20,000 salary job, you will get nothing. You are not going to defend this IIT also, leave it country. So at least fresh student, I will, sometimes some students have got, okay, time cross went, age came, okay, do PhD here and there, no problem. But fresh student who just a BSc completed, just MSc completed, just BTech completed, read, give 1 year time. What is your age? 20, 21 age, BSc completing student, MSc completion 22 age. Give time 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, give time for competitive exam. Your time loss, nothing happening. Sometime parents, sometime students are thinking, my time loss will go 1 year. Time loss, what will go? You want to collect degree only? What will happen after that? Maybe you will think that my time loss going. Okay, 1 year, no need to do time loss. MSc, I will do some college. You collected degree after that. Again, you have to prepare for CSIR. Again, you will think that no need to give time. Oh, I will do PhD. PhD 5 years will take time from any type of private universities with too much fees and very less scholarship. After PhD collecting, you will think job. And after PhD, no, you can't give, especially CSIR student I am telling. After PhD, you can't give time for sitting and reading for competitive exam. You can't give time. That time pressure will happen, tension will happen, parents pressure, marriage, tension, too much tension will come. Don't collect degree unnecessary, no use have. What you want to prove to this world? You have degree only? I am doctor something. After that? Nothing after that. Again you have to run for a job. Here there interview you give, they will say okay PhD from here there have, okay, some places, some normal university, normal college, they will keep you starting salary is 20, 25,000, 30,000. After that, enough that is. Too much struggles are there. So first, if you will give time, no, later no any problem will come. If you won't give time, no, later more problem will come, and later that problem solution not have. Now your problem solution is possibility, because just now you are fresh student, fresh. Your mind also will be fresh. 6 months, 1 year, you will give, you can crack and you can do PhD and you can get good scholarship from different of institutions in India, and high level institute you can do PhD. When you are coming for CSIR net, think PhD from IIT only. If too much pressures are there from family or anything, okay, NIT go. NIT also, and every NIT I won't suggest. NIT Tirchi is good. Second number I will tell Calicut is okay. Warangal also little bit good. But not all. Don't fix in mind first NIT for PhD any students. IIT only, IIT, IIST, TIFR. Last 15 years, 12 years I am running in Chennai only. Remaining I am teaching all India, every places. Today my students are all India, every places. One time I have remember, one time I was thinking that Tamil Nadu students don't want to go outside of Tamil Nadu. Why? I was fearing, God, what will happen? I have to break this. I have to break this record. I have to send Tamil Nadu students to all India, every places. Mostly students are going. Mostly students are fearing. No. They are thinking this is the world. In Tamil Nadu also thinking Chennai is the world. So we have to fly all India, all world. Not only in Chennai or Tamil Nadu or Coimbatore, not like that. Not Kerala or Andhra Pradesh. Not only New Delhi, Calcutta. We have to fly every places. Every places we have to fly. Just you think I am the bird. Birds are flying, no? And birds also choose eagle bird, not other birds. Eagles, you know eagle? Focus, see. That focus have to keep in mind and have to fly. Whenever chance getting, catch. Suddenly catch. And again fly. So eagle type live. And fly this world. And give your knowledge. Collect knowledge, give your knowledge, and tell, I am from Tamil Nadu. Prove to this world, I am Indian. Prove to other state, I am from Tamil Nadu. I am Tamilian. You are telling I am Tamilian, what have? I am also something, you are also something. But what is our existence? Our existence, something we will do different in this country. That is our power. I am something, I am suppose Bengali, you are a Tamilian, you are a something, Andhra Pradesh, okay, that is our personal identity. But which place I will go, no, I will stand means my identity, no need to tell by my mouth. That type make identity. So read for country and just know anything. Know anything, just read from concepts and knowledge. Make knowledge, you see all identity automatic will come. All identity. About you have to tell to other person. You will go suppose New Delhi. Somebody will tell your friends, your professors, your neighborhood, New Delhi neighborhood. Somebody came from Tamil Nadu. He is Tamilian. He is Tamilian. More knowledge have. They have to tell about you. You not. From your mouth, no need to tell. Like that work do. And today really I have too much proud in India, from Tamil Nadu, from Chennai, from Tamil Nadu rural areas and all, student I send to other state, other IITs, all India corner. Even Punjab also, IIT Ropar, IIT Guwahati. You can think Guwahati 3 days by train. Punjab 2 days. One student went Punjab IIT, sir, don't want to go. Why? Punjab, sir, they are nearby anything. Nothing, go IIT are safe. All IITs are safe. She went, she is missing rasam. Telling, sir, here big chapati is a Punjab. No, Punjab big chapati. This thickness too much, and chapati means one chapati full family will eat. And one glass lassi means enough. Full of strength, power. She is more missing sambar, rice, rasam. I told Ma, please. 2 years, little forget rasam. and collect knowledge and come Tamil Nadu or other place, go and job, do research, do anything do. Because of food, don't leave IIT. Food is not important. Food important when we are reading health time. But that food is not bad. That food also good. Slowly, when problems are not going, no, then that problems will make automatic habit. When you have problems not going too much, then that problem you make as a friend. Make that is our habit. You see, after that you won't feel problem is our something tension. No, problem is nothing. Now because that is habituate came. My problem came habituate. So you can't get hereafter tension. So just only this much whatever I am telling, read country, read for country, world, so world, only you start reading from concepts, one line, one word. And make your best friend is your books. Start reading your books. Habit. Maybe till now I don't know you read any books or not in your BSc, MSc, I don't know. But if not reading means, but from today you start just any books purchase. Don't think which books is good. All books are good. All books something knowledge will give, at least one knowledge also will give, but will give. So don't search which books is good. Start reading all books and try to find this books is good, from which book I got how much knowledge, from which book got how much knowledge. Suppose linear algebra 10 books you completed, self study. You have to find, okay, this book I got more knowledge, this book is little bit, this book is extra good, that book is extra good, enough. But every book something knowledge will give. So don't search which book is good. Some students are asking with me, sir, what book is good? What I will tell you. I completed more books. Maybe real analysis 100 books I completed. Modern algebra 100 books completed. Linear algebra 100 books completed. Only books read. I was reading my books from my childhood. I am not depending on teachers or anything. So like that, because I am always thinking independent. Maths is learning us live independent. So you also live independent. Any books read. Don't depend on any books. Collect knowledge from any place. Which place getting? Either from books, either from friends, either from families, any place. That knowledge will work for your exam. And when you got good base, your concepts, knowledge, basic strong came, no, after that never fear will come. Never. And you see this 6 months class, whatever I will teach, you will think that first time seeing, but not tough. Too much tough concepts are there, but I will present you very easy way. You will feel this much easy, how this is possible. And by that 100% if you will do hard work, more number of exams you can qualify, not only NET or IIT JAM. Common syllabus I will teach for everybody. In future, all exam everybody write. Even JAM students have to write CSIR exam. CSIR students, CSIR have to write GATE, NBHM, TIFR. Interview have to go. Interview question I will give. You can crack interviews and all. So just you think, if you are ready for hard work, your result 100% confirm. And don't fear. And especially one thing I will tell you, especially all fresh student must, all are here fresh student only have, live strong in front of mother father. Don't show them, strong means don't show them I am fearing from maths, I am fearing from this competitive exam, don't know I can qualify or not. Because how much you will fear, no, compared to you double triple time they will fear, and they will suggest you, ma, leave it here after. Any type of situation coming in life, in front of mother father, no, live strong. Any, not only education I am telling, in life more problems are there, in front of them live strong. Then only you can fight with this world, with these problems, and with this our exams. Otherwise, how much you will fear, and you will sit and you will read here, no, every day your parents will be worry, my child what doing. Your parents' mind will be here. So make them independent. Ma, you live there. For me, no problem. Even you are getting problem in your hostel also. Maybe food problem, health issues. Big health issues means you have to go home or anything. But little matters, don't share with them. They will get extra tension. They will tell, Ma, come home, 10 days leave, go. Your study problem will come. So little avoid every problems, no need to tell. Why? Only because of they will get more worry about you. They will cry, they will get tension, then you will go home, time loss. And you will be strong, no? Then you also will get more power. Otherwise, you also will get fear. Because they are getting fear, then you will get fear. Both sides fearing will start. After that, leave it. Don't want. No problem, ma, you leave it. I have no any problem. My child won't get problem in this world. I have more money, property. You can sit and can eat. That type don't do. Make your identity. Either you have money, property or not. That is not important. Maybe your parents can keep you whole life. Till your old age, they can give you everything. But that type don't want. That type animals also living. Make your identity, what you did. Make proud for them, for parents. My child is this. My child is IITian. My child is IIT professor. My child is scientist. Before I think this corona time and all, now our CSIR president in New Delhi, that name I am forgetting, she is from Tamil Nadu. After 35 years, somebody came president in New Delhi, CSIR New Delhi, from Tamil Nadu. And this thing we have to continue. I want my student have to come one day CSIR president. Like that work do. CSIR scientist. CSIR is not a little bit body. This is the very big chain in this world. International that is. Don't think only India. Don't think CSIR net is only for India exam. This CSIR net will learn you this world how to give tension by your knowledge, by your maths. That much syllabus is there. That much knowledge is there. Okay, so just keep in mind, we have to read from basic to high level everything. If can't understand, again and again we will read, we will discuss with our friends, with our class friends, we will make groups, we will ask with teachers. Whatever for you problem have, understanding, not understand, tell me 100 times. Any type of problem, not only maths, class problem, tension coming, fight coming, food problem, any problem. There is solution to every problem. Any problem getting share with me, I will 99.999% I will try to find solution. Because our target to give your success, your results, not by only tension, not by only maths. If our minds are cool, our minds has no tension, no pressure, no stress, no fights with friends, then only we can get success. For success, we need positive minds. Your mind is getting tension, too much frustration, bad thinking, have bad thoughts, we can't get success. We know we are intelligent, we are hard worker, also we are not getting success. Because our mind is not in peace. Our mind thinking wrong. Leave positive thoughts keep. So success direct won't come that, okay, I am more intelligent, I can crack soon. Not possible. Okay. So we have to start with positive vibrations. Okay, and no negatives till result. Till result you promise to. Sapath oath taking, no? Sapath Grahan. Oath, President, Prime Minister, Chief Minister. Like that you take oath. Till result. I am not going to leave Sukumar sir. I am not going to leave this institute. And do hard work. You see, 6 months to 1 year, 100% your result will be there. 100%. IIT JAM students, if you are giving full 1 year fresh, no tension from your college, then 100% your result will be 1 year. Next exam. Sometimes some students are getting pressure from college, BSc, first year, second year. So for them 2 years, 3 years preparation taking time. But you think minimum 1 year to 2 years IIT JAM student must can crack. Suppose in future you want to write UPSC exam and all, maths optional. Maths optional is the king in optional paper. how much maths will give marks for your optional? No, any optional paper is going to give. I saw some maths